Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. I had this a few days ago, but only today I had time to do the review and unboxing. So this is very interesting. It's very cheap because I'm looking for a power socket like this, like many hit like this, and this is cheapest that I found. The normal price is 23 ringgit, but I got it about 8 ringgit 50 cents from Shopee. Well, it's called multifunction socket, 2 meter, 1525U, the number. Okay. Before we unboxing, let's look into some of the pictures and also the pictures and also the details. So here from the Shopee that I bought. Okay. Okay, done. Sorry. Okay, so this is it. 850. Normal price is 23. And then it's a multifunction socket with 2 meter, 9 power socket, 2 USB port. Okay, and there's more than 1,000 people bought already. Okay, I saw a good review of it, that's why I bought it. Okay, this one. Okay, description. Alright, that's it. Okay, let's look unboxing. So before we go further, let's look at the details of the packaging. So that's it. Then this is the product number actually here inside here, written inside here, also 1525U. So that's the model. Light cream material. Okay. Oh. Let's look behind. Okay. 2 bunch of details, like just a brief one actually. ISO 9000. Wow, so this is good details. Okay, and then let's look at the product itself. So from side, okay, here, and then this 2 meter and the head was used in China, I guess. This one, wait, the details of this, nothing. Okay, and then behind like this. So here, movable socket, maximum. Okay, made in China, right? So you have this and this that you can hang. Okay, and this also this function. Yeah, and then this one, the last one. So I told you the number 1525U. That's the product number. Okay, this is on and off. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put on the. I'm gonna try it on and see how it goes. See you later on. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. This is Dior Shaari from Maison Dor Network. Sign up. And if you have anything, comment or what, just share, comment, and like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I'll put the link below the video. Bye bye. Ta-da!